Cheesy's Customs back here again. We're in a different spot. Yeah. Well, a bit dirty. Because, finally show you. I'm joining the EXCELs. We're going to build a race car. So yeah, but mine's going to be a little bit different. Just a little bit different. Yeah. I've got some big wheels. Should be able to keep up with the rest of them. Needs a bit of a panel work. I reckon it should be alright. But what's that? Holy shit! Those EXCEL guys run around with 1500 cc's. I want to run around 5.7 litre. Just got to finish the front end off. But you know, it's what I've been doing for the last 6 months. Building EXCEL race car. Looks fat. That's not the bonnet for it. That's just got to keep the rain off of it. So yeah, we have a squeeze. Holy crap! Oh yeah, it's got strut towers now. So, and as you can see, there's plenty of room for improvements, like hair dryers, because I really like to keep my hair nice and conditioned and blow dried. So, perfect spot to mount my hairdressing equipment. So yeah, there you go. That's the new one. We ain't gonna do skids. We're gonna go drag racing with the thing. Let's see if it goes straight. See how we go. If not, I'll just put it in the shed. Get on with the next project. Alright, layout. Alright, welcome back. Cheesy's channel. It's Sunday now. Yep. Busy day. We already dropped the car off at the car show.
Yes.
Now we're at Angston for a swap meet. Let's go have a look around. Hey Shano.
Yes, try not to get too wet.
She's so excited. She loves what I do. Excited, Shan?
Yeah.
Well, that was a quick one. It's the quickest swap meet we've ever been to. Well, it's raining. Everything else is pretty much covered up, so I think the rain scared a few people off. Hey Shan.
Yeah.
So we'll go back to Gawler. Go clean the car now. Great. Well, we're back at the car show. Shan's slowly coming, but it's a little bit more packed than when we left it. Alright, let's go walk in. Raining again, babe. Fuck's sake. Try the car again. Hold up. Shan?
I think probably had more chance of going into space than that Artemis thing.
Called it, she called it. Back home again, another successful car show. A lot of people coming up to Shannon and going, I love your car, it's diesel. But yeah, Shannon's just reversing the Ranger back in. She's very quite proud of her today. She drove all the way to Gawler and all the way to home by herself in her Gemini. So she loved every minute of it. Love the smile she gets when she drives her car, so that hurt. Anyway, cheers for watching, see you next time. Yeah, I've got to move these two out tomorrow because we'll get the very veranda put up. Have time. Anyway, catches Cheesy's channel. See you later. Cheesy's Custom Drew is out. You know where it's at. Later.